The contact quality between cables and connectors greatly affects power loss and system efficiency in solar projects. In solar systems, integrated production can help ensure stable connection performance, reduce contact resistance, and electrical losses. It also helps reduce mismatch risks between components from different brands while improving overall system reliability and long-term operating stability. We provide solar extension cable solutions with in-house manufacturing capabilities for both cables and connectors. You can also choose our cables and connectors separately and directly select our portion-board extension cable solution. Cables and connectors are matched and produced within the same factory, ensuring mechanical and electrical compatibility from the shop. Our factory has 6 automated cable production lines and 4 connector production lines. We have stable large production capacity to support different specifications and various solar project requirements. I'm Iris from a solar cable and connector factory in Ningbo, China. If you have extension cable or project requirements, feel free to chat with me on WhatsApp.